Hello students, I welcome you to the second chapter of Basics of Mathematics. So today we are going to learn BODMAS rule. So what is BODMAS rule? B for brackets, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. So this is the full form of BODMAS. But why this rule is defined? Why it exists in maths? And where you have to use this? BODMAS rule is defined to simplify the equations or to make the calculation easy. Now, why it is important to know its full form? Because this BODMAS term will tell you that in which sequence you have to solve the calculations. So as you can see, B stands for brackets. So you have to solve first brackets, then off, then you have to perform division, and then multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. So this is the sequence. BODMAS term will tell you the sequence in which you have to solve the calculation. Now, in this, we will learn that in which order the brackets should be solved. Brackets, first you have to solve the vinculum, then you have to solve this round bracket, which is also called small bracket. Then sequence says that you have to solve the curly bracket, and at the end you have to solve the square bracket. Now this was just a theory. I will tell you by a solution how you can perform these BODMAS rule in mathematical calculation. So this is my question. Here you can see in this equation 100 plus, you can see this square bracket, 2 minus curly bracket, then 5 plus 2 round bracket, half of 4, 1 by 2 of 4 plus 56 divided by 8. Now you can see small bracket close, curly bracket close, and the box bracket close. You can see that there are different operations which we have to perform in this question. Now you will think which operation I will start from which calculation, and you will get confused. So from where I should start? So BODMAS rule says that you have to start with bracket, and in bracket also, as I have told you, first round bracket, then curly bracket, and then box bracket. So this is the sequence. So we come to this round bracket. So here you can see we came to this round bracket, right? So this round bracket should be solved first. In this round bracket also BODMAS rule will be followed. O says off. So this off should be solved first. So this off should be solved at the first when you will start solving this equation. So when we solve this, half of 4 means when you will cut this 2 with 4, so answer will be 2. So this you have written, we have written here, and all other equation I have written as it is. So whole equation I have written as it is, and only solve this much first. Then we come to the next step. Here BODMAS rule, this bracket we are solving first, small bracket, and then we will see that BODMAS rule, according to BODMAS rule of we have solved B, O, then D. D means division. So we need to divide this first. Don't do the mistake that 2 plus 56. No, this is wrong. BODMAS rule says that first division, then it will come to addition and multiplication. So first you have to divide. So 56 divided by 8, 7 will come, right? So we are solving first round bracket. Under this round bracket, this 56 divided by 8 comes. Now this, as it is, I have written the third step. So in third step, you can see whole thing I have written as it is, only I have done this division. Now you can see in this small bracket only addition part is left. Then this small bracket will get solved. So this addition part is left, so you will add now. Now what you have to do? Addition of this. 7 plus 2 will come 9, right? So here 9 will be written. Now in fourth step, you can see all other things I have written as it is. Now 9 will be multiplied with 2. To open this bracket, we need to multiply this with 2. So 9 multiplied by 2 will be 18, right? Then we need to solve this curly bracket in next step. When we solve this curly bracket, 15 plus, 5 plus 18, that will be 23. Here you can see. Then now it comes the turn of box bracket. You can see 2 minus 23. Here we need to check the operations which I have already explained in last video. Their link is in description. You can go and check that. So you can see this value is positive 2 and 23 is negative. So how you will calculate this? So plus minus, always minus, and the you can see 23 is greater digit and the sign in front of 23 is minus. So its answer will be minus 23. So how this minus 23 comes, it will get clear if you will watch my last video. So after this, when we will open this bracket, this small bracket will be opened, then you can see this value is positive, this is plus sign and this is minus sign. So this plus minus will become minus and then it will be 100 minus 21. So you can see this 100 minus 21, and when we will solve this, 79 will be the answer. So how easy it was by using BODMAS rule. So if you have any query, you can ask me in chat box through comment. You can ask any query about BODMAS rule. Stay tuned for the next chapter of Basics of Mathematics. Thank you.